We were just here for like 2.5 hours. The rides did not meet my expectations. They were not extreme at all, for me. Although kids will truly enjoy and appreciate them. Additionally, no outside food and we were not aware, that's why we brought food. There was also a closed inflatable obstacle, which we wanted to try so badly. However, this resort was well organized, huge and have a lot of great and fun activities. My two big brothers went to try the largest karting circuit in Asia. Good and exciting place for some water fun not under the sun. Interesting pool concepts and enjoyed the wave pool very much. However, water is a bit cold for the kids. Fantastic water park experience. Had an amazing time at here. The slides were thrilling, the lazy river was super relaxing, and the wave pool was a blast. The park was clean, well organized, and the staff was friendly. Great food options and plenty of shaded areas to rest. Can't wait to visit again. Fantastic water park experience. Had an amazing time at here. The slides were thrilling, the lazy river was super relaxing, and the wave pool was a blast. The park was clean, well organized, and the staff was friendly. Great food options and plenty of shaded areas to rest. Can't wait to visit again. We recently visited this place and had a great time, especially the kids, 4 years/0 and 6 years/0. There were plenty of attractions to keep them entertained, and they had a blast exploring the different play areas and slides. One thing I really appreciated was the presence of lifeguards. There were many stationed at each attraction, keeping a close watch on safety, which gave us peace of mind. However, one downside was the strict food policy. No outside food was allowed, not even some cut fruits I had prepared earlier as a snack for my kids. It would be great if there were some leniency for light snacks, especially for young children. Regarding the water temperature, I'm not sure if it's because the park is covered, indoor, but most of the play areas had very cold water, except for the slides. We visited from 10:30 a.m. to 3 p.m., and it would have been much more comfortable if the water was slightly warmer. Perhaps some temperature regulation could be considered. Lastly, I think an annual pass option would be a great addition. We would love to visit more frequently, and having a pass could make it more worthwhile for regular visitors. Overall, it was a fun experience for the kids, and we'll consider coming back. Fuss-free entering. Klook is easy to use and has promo code. Always the top choice when I need to purchase. It's worth the price, but most of the activities are only suitable for children. They're not really for adults. Suitable for children. Large area. If you like a place that is not hot, you can come here. The only thing that is not good in the changing room is that there is no place to hang clothes in the room and toilet. Bags have to be placed on the wet and dirty floor. The food is delicious and worth the price. Recommended to come here to relax with the family. Will come again.